Okay, so I went to the pet store and I got Harley this feather on a stick thing. Say hi to my girlfriend. There's the feather on a stick. Okay. And Harley goes crazy with it. Shake it like a bird. Oh, that loud noise you hear is the heater because our central heater doesn't work. But here's Harley. We've been playing with her for a little bit, so she's been a little crazy. Oh, there she goes. Get it, Harley. Get it. She's a little tired because she was playing a little earlier, so. Come on, make her jump, honey. I guess she doesn't want to jump anymore.
She's tired. Look at her huffing and puffing.
Oh, yeah. She's tired, kitten. Oh, mamas, I'm tired.
Yeah.
Let her chew on it for a little bit. She's tired. Oh, my bird. My bird. Zoom in to the cat. Chewing on the bird feather thing. This is like the best $6 I've spent on this damn cat, I swear. Last night she climbed to the top of the closet and found her toy and was playing with it. Bye, Harley!